Hello everyone. Are you bored at home due to this pandemic? Come on with me then. Let's visit a zoo.
Hey, how are you, Rocky? What are you doing? Nothing, just entertaining the humans, as now we animals are meant to be protected and to be caged. Humans are meant to roam free after killing and shooting the animals. Yes, we are caged for holiday entertainment programs for these humans. But believe me, humans are worse than animals. Tourists from all over the world visit national parks, sanctuaries, biosphere reserve to see us. Our real houses are big dense forests and jungles, but government has set up reserves and sanctuaries. But why? Humans have put pressure on forested areas, endangering many animals and birds. Forests are cut for their settlements. But thanks to WWF for thinking about us, and thanks to government for passing Wildlife Protection Law in 1972. Their objective for wildlife and conservation of wildlife, punishment for killing animals, etc. are helping us to live our life. Forget about India. The wildlife all over the world is also very rich and varied. Africa is home of most amazing variety of wildlife. Dense equatorial forests are having habitats for elephants, rhinoceros, crocodiles, etc. Grasslands are in habitats of zebra, deer, etc. Deserts are for camels and ostriches, but they are hunted for meat, bones, skins. Government in states of Africa has taken many steps to control it. South America is also richest continent in wildlife. It is home to condors, largest bird of prey, rhea, the flightless bird. Many mammals, reptiles and snakes also live there. Then popular animals like monkeys, owls, squirrels, jaguars, etc. Puma, the dangerous animal, and the llamas are the main animals that are found there. Australia is also famous for marsupials. Examples: koala, wallaby, kangaroo, etc. Then wild dogs like dingo and platypus are also found. And important birds like lyrebird, emu and kookaburra are also found in this place. Yeah, and Europe also is having wild boars, sheep, rabbits, birds like nightingales, skylarks, and polar bear, reindeer, etc. are found in European region. Then North America also is having variety of birds and animals. Some amongst them are polar bear, grizzly bear, caribou, spotted owl, etc. Most animals have thick fur to protect them from extreme cold. Wildlife doesn't include only animals and birds, but there are other living creatures like plants and forests, etc. are also included in wildlife. True that, but exploitation of forests has damaged our ecosystem to a great extent, and conservation of forests is also a necessary task. The forest cover is less because of increasing population, flooding, soil erosion, deforestation, forest fires, and clearing. These reasons have resulted in loss of habitats for wild animals, domestic animals, and then we are caged like prisoners. But why these highly educated humans are not understanding that India is blessed with variety of climate, temperature, rainfall and relief. India is also blessed with 4 types of natural vegetation: tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn and scrub forests, mountainous vegetation. But there are many types of forests all over the world, like tropical evergreen forest, tropical monsoon forest, temperate evergreen forest, Mediterranean forests, coniferous forests, temperate deciduous forests. Can you forget about vegetation and grasslands? There are tropical grasslands, temperate grasslands, tundra vegetation and desert vegetations also all over the world. The first forest is tropical evergreen forest. These are found in the regions of heavy rainfall. Trees are evergreen and climate is hot and wet. Hardwood trees are found here. Main areas where they are found are the Amazon basins, Zerang basins in Africa and Malaysia in Southeast Asia. Then, second, tropical monsoon forest. They are mainly found in tropical areas that have monsoon type of climate, like in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, etc. The seasonal contrast of rainfall and temperature affect the growth of vegetation, and sal, deodar, bamboo, etc. are found here. Then is third one, that is the temperate evergreen forest. They are a mixed variety and found in China, Japan, Southeast Australia, Southeast USA, etc. The timber from these forests is valuable. High summer temperature and heavy rains favors these forest group. Oak, pine, mulberry, camphor, etc. are found here. Then fourth category is Mediterranean forest. They are found in hot dry summers and warm wet winter areas. Then the trees are of medium height and have waxy or small leaves. Main species are citrus fruits like lemon and grapes and olive, cedar, etc. Then the fifth one is temperate deciduous forest. They are grown in the climate where it is very cool, oceanic or temperate with no extreme climate. Some of the examples of species are maple, ash, etc. Then the last one is coniferous forest. They are found in very cold climate. They are softwood trees suitable for paper making. Trees are tall and straight. They are found in regions of Norway, Russia, and main species are cedar, pine, fir. You were telling something about grasslands and vegetation, right? Please tell me about it. Yeah, correct, Ponky. Tropical grasslands and temperate grasslands are 2 types of grasslands. Tropical ones are also known as savanna grasslands. They are found on either sides of equator. The amount of rainfall is moderate and do not allow vegetation to become thick. These are small trees, shrubs and grasses. They are found in northern Australia and Brazilian lands. Then is temperate grasslands. The interiors of the continents have extreme type of climate with moderate amount of rainfall. They are found in prairies, steppes, downs, wells, etc. Then there are 2 types of vegetation. Tundra vegetation. This is the vegetation that is found in North or Arctic circles, and heavy snow cover does not encourage plant growth. Example, mosses, lichens, etc. Main species of plants are willow trees and birches. Then desert vegetation. It is found in places of hot dry deserts. Rainfall is low and main species are cactus, date palms, etc. These types of vegetation is common in desert. The famous deserts are Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert, Australian deserts, etc. Thank you, God. These forests have always been a house for wildlife, and there is a beautiful connection between wildlife Humans must understand our cries and agonies. Now humans must come forward to safeguard our natural resources. They must work for betterment of natural resources and leave behind the greed, selfishness to acquire our land for living a lavish lifestyle.
Hope for the best, and may no more species become endangered and extinct. Bye bye, be strong.
Hope we would be free one day from these cages. Bye bye, Ponky. Be safe and strong.
I hope you heard the conversation of Ponky and Rocky in the zoo. I am going to perform my part of duty to protect the environment. Will you save the animals and plant trees near your locality?